Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are back with a makeup tutorial. So my brows are done. We're gonna start with the Huda Beauty palette. And first, you can take your blending brush and take that orangey tone eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put it in the crease really lightly. You can go a little bit above the crease, but mostly in the crease. And just make sure it's well blended. Next, I'm going to take that more like warm orange color. I'm going to put it in the crease just to dip in the crease because we want to make it kind of bold. So really pack it on in the crease, and you can put it all over your lid also if you want. Always make sure everything is well blended. Next, I'm taking my soft glam palette. I'm going to take first the color Orange Soda with an eyeshadow brush. I'm going to put it all over the lid, actually like the inner third of my lid. And I'm going to mix it with the color Burnt Orange and put it on top just so it's more intense on the lid. I'm just going to do the same thing to the other eye. So first you take the color Orange Soda, and then next I'm going to take the color Burnt Orange to put on top. And you want to take your blending brush, blend everything in so there's no harsh lines, because I'm not doing a cut crease, I'm really doing a soft look. And then I'm taking a bit more of that orange color and deepening the outer corner of my lid. Next, I'm taking the color Glistening from the Soft Glam palette. I'm just going to put it on top of the light color we had before on the lid, just so you have a bit of like a shine to it. For the face, I'm using my moisturizer Hydra Genius by L'Oreal. I'm going to put it all over. This one is mattifying, so it's really great for oily skin like myself. Then I'm taking my Smashbox primer and put it where I mostly have larger pores, so on my cheeks, my forehead, wherever you have large pores basically. For my face, I'm using Maybelline and L'Oreal foundations. The names will be down below, all the numbers and everything you need to know will be down below in the description box if you guys want to know what shade I am in. So we're just going to put it all over and then take a kabuki brush and just blend everything in. For my concealer, I'm using my Fit Me from Concealer by Maybelline. I'm just gonna do my under eyes, sorry, and I'm gonna, basically my foundation was a bit medium coverage, so I'm just gonna cover up the dark spots that I have, and then I'm taking another Maybelline concealer just to cover up my dark circles. And you just want to blend everything out and make sure everything is seamless. For my eyeliner, I'm using my tattoo liner by Kat Von D. I'm just doing a really thin line for my eyeliner. As you can see, it's really thin. I just wanted some definition in my eye without doing like something big, so I just decided to do a liquid liner. And this is how it looks like. I forgot to set my concealer, so I'm going back and setting my concealer with my Laura Mercier setting powder. For mascara, I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I really love this mascara. It's really good. I can't put it down basically. So you want to do your top lashes and your bottom lashes with the same mascara. For my bronzer, I'm using my Bobbi Brown because I've been really loving it lately. I'm just gonna bronze up my face. You guys know I don't really contour my face anymore. I'm more like a bronzy. I'm looking more for a bronzy look. So that's why I'm just bronzing my face today to give a bit of definition. So I'm doing my cheeks, my nose, and my forehead mostly. Then for my highlight, first I'm using my Becca Topaz highlighter. I'm just going to put it on my cheeks, just a little bit, because anyways we want to mix it with another one in a few seconds. I'm doing my nose and my upper lip. I'm also going to do my forehead. And next I'm using my Nicole Guerrero palette. And I'm using the color 143. I'm just gonna put it on top of my Becca highlight on my cheeks, my nose, and that's basically it. For my lips, first I'm using my MAC Cork Lip Liner. I'm just putting it all over. Then I have my L'Oreal lipstick. The name will be down below. I don't remember it right now. And then I didn't really like it, so I kind of blotted out all the shine of that lipstick. And then I went back with my NYX lip cream on top. And then I'm just doing my hair, taking off my braid, taking off my bandanas and everything. Because we're pretty much done. I did put on some lashes, and it will be down below again. And yeah, I just want to brush your hair, make it look cute. And that's basically it, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's been a while since I did a makeup tutorial like this, so I was really happy to do one. And I'll see you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you next time, guys. Bye.